次は次は君だ。
Hey guys, it's me, LJ, the one behind the paint shop. Last time I did Deku on one sneaker, and for this time I thought no one would be more suitable than his idol and mentor Allmight. Now that season 4 is released, I'm all hyped up for every new episode. Do you also watch Boku no Hero Academia, and what's your favorite character? Mine are Todoroki Shoto and Tokoyami Fumikage. I already did a custom paint job on those two, so check it out if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed the custom paint job as much as I did. And hey, if you'd like to see me painting on stuff live, follow me on twitch.tv/ljminet, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter @ljminet to know when I'm going to stream next. Okay then, see you soon, bye!